Fortuna fun. Guys, there's a sloth. What a time to be alive! We are off ziplining. All the cows. Hello my lovelies, welcome back to a new video. We are in La Fortuna. My camera keeps going a little bit foggy. Humid, slightly. We are currently just waiting for a little pickup to take us to a restaurant. 1 minute away. We're going to see the sloths, guys. We're going to see the sloths. Hopefully, manifesting that we'll see them sleeping up there.
Well, I think they like it when the rain's stopped and the sun's not out, because then they're not too hot.
Yeah.
So the perfect time for them to come out.
Oh, perfect, because the clouds, I feel like it's like on and off, been raining while we've been driving here. But the drive from San Jose to here was about 3 hours, 3.5 hours, depending on traffic. And it was actually a really nice journey. Like,
yeah,
didn't really mind it. We got lucky because B booked through, what was it called? Bookaway, and we ended up having a whole car, which was just madness. Our driver was lovely.
Yeah,
he brought us pineapple, dried fruit snacks. So anyway, we're getting a taxi now to a place called Soda, which is actually the name of restaurants out here. So most of them are called that, but it's the one next to
Hotel Magic
Mountain. It's a restaurant where you can basically write little quotes and life inspirational things on little placards around, so it should be very cute. And Bronte went there 3 years ago, so I'm going to try and find the one she wrote. Hiding away, hopefully. But this place is like very sweet, very small, beautiful, feels very humid, a nice temperature. It's nice coming out of the city, somewhere that's really quiet and just so green. Like, so green. It is beautiful. So yeah, anyway, I'll take you guys along with this video for La Fortuna fun. Might get copyrighted, so I'm going to try and do this really quick, but we're at a restaurant called Soda El Ternito, which is literally near the trail, not too far. So we've come here just because the place that Bronte went 2 years ago is shut, which is really sad, and it was next door to this place, but we've come here and we've got the pineapple juice to... Wow. That is so fresh. That is so nice. Yeah, and water. Wow, that is delicious. So we'll let you know what the food's like, but we got fajitas and tortillas and guac. Guys, I think we got confused with this being chips, but it's tortilla and avocado, which is quite fun. And this is kind of like build your own fajita. Oh, sorry everyone. It's kind of like a fajita. It's got the chicken, the avocado, the nice tortillas, and all of that dip. Oh my god. Nice. The explorers ready to go. Guys, we are in the trail. Oh my god. Did you hear that? Sounded like something jumping. The good thing is when you go past people, you can say, have you seen one? Yes. People coming our way.
Wow, look at these flowers, are bright red. Gorgeous.
Wow, they're one of Jamie's favourites actually. I can't remember what they're called, but they're the real life thing. We are doing a self-guided one because we actually don't want to wait an hour to the guided one. We didn't realise they were different time slots. So,
what if we take an hour?
But you can use these tomorrow.
Yeah, and we can loop back around and try and hear them.
Yeah.
And guided tour.
She did say that, oh my god, the noises. Was that you?
Yeah.
Oh. She did say mid to the top of trees and different points because they're numbered. So we're gonna see one.
We are.
We are. Take you guys along, but this is the views. Also, it sounds like bloody car map.
So nice. Yeah, it literally sounds like the car map. Sounds like
Guys, look at this bird. Wow. So cool. He's hunting. Guys, can you guys look at this big moth or butterfly? Wow. Its wing looks like an IB. Wow. Guys, there's a sloth. Look at it. So cute. Wow. I'm going to leave footage on the screen a bit closer so you can see his face from my phone, but yeah, he is. Or she. That was the best moment, like, of my life. My 28 years, one of the best moments. We saw his face.
I know, that was really
apparently a lot of them have been hiding, and he turned around and Bronte has this like live video of him just like being
I
like,
only
nah.
turned my live on today, like an hour
Really?
ago. Yeah, I haven't had on for
Meant
months.
to be.
Meant to be.
I'll leave some, or would have left some like phone footage of him. But wow, what a time to be live! Guys, look at these red ants.
Oh, they make you feel funny.
There is Arenal Volcano, you see the base? Okay, and you see Chato?
Whoa, he be... Wow.
Yeah.
Good evening, my loves. So we're at dinner. We have come to Italiano
miso.
miso, or isn't it with an S? Oh, simio. Sorry, not miso.
miso.
Backwards miso. And we've got pizza and a salad. And Bronte's pizza is coming. And we're just having a very chilled girl dinner. Girly Eve. We had traditional food this afternoon and yesterday, so we just fancy something
A bit
like
Western.
this, a bit Western, basically. But it's a very cute little restaurant. Everything's quite chilled here, quite relaxed, and the crust on this pizza looks like 10 out of 10. I did try and translate rocket, guys. I didn't quite manage.
You've got spinach.
In Spanish. I think it's basil.
Basil.
I think it's baz. How's the salad?
I'm literally eating it all. It's so good.
Is it? Delish. Anyway.
Delicious. It's got really good oil.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, lovely. Anyway, that's where we are. That's what we're up to. Guys, it's the next day. We are off ziplining. I'm probably going to film on my phone if I can, but probably not a lot.
I don't know if they do professional photo. I've seen some people on Instagram.
You lay down flat through the thing. Oh, and apparently it's only a small group, so it's literally maybe just us.
A few others.
Nervous. So nervous that I've given myself the shits.
But she's going to love it. She's going to love every minute.
It's going to be great. It's going to be good. Push yourself out your comfort zone every day, what I would say.
Especially in Costa Rica.
Especially in Costa. Guys, we're so Guys, we just did this like massive zipline. This is it. Wow.
Even though it's raining, it feels even more magical.
Doesn't it?
So like completely immersed in the
I'm gonna be
rainforest.
sick.
It was incredible.
I look like I'm filming for like a YouTube video, like an actual documentary or something.
So today we're doing the 12 rainforest zip lines. It's literally incredible. Like, I was literally going through like, how am I here?
Guys, 6 down. I think we've done 6.
Have we done 6?
I think so. We're doing a little bit more. We're not walking anymore. We're ziplining down.
So cool.
Wow.
I'm obsessed.
My adrenaline.
I know, same.
I love adrenaline.
Same.
It's like.
It's the best form of fun. Going out
It's also stopped. It's also stopped raining, and just then when we were going over, there was an eagle and butterflies to like the same height as me. Also, definitely can't get my phone out on there. There's not a chance. So I won't be able to film up there, guys, because you hold with this to pull down.
And I was were you holding loads on there?
Yeah, they said by the tree. Up. So fast, so
I really pulled, did you?
yeah, really, all my might. I know, I like kind of flung them at the end. Speed. Guys, you can do a bunchy.
Wait a little bit, amigos. We see.
Ooh, look at that. Whoa. Bungee going on, bungee going on. Woo!
How did she not scream?
Woohoo! God, that's so cool. Wow!
Way to go, Lily.
Guys, here comes B on the longest one. Woohoo! There she comes. Coming on in. Woohoo! Gorgeous girl. Stunning! Guys, the zip line was amazing. We loved it.
It was incredible.
Really recommend. Like, felt really, really safe.
Yeah.
Loved the guys doing it. Amazing experience. I tried to like soak it all up while I was going
Same,
down
I was
there.
looking around like,
Yeah,
wow.
like really trying to soak it up, and it was just so cool. You also get the hot springs included, but we've decided we're going to head to the walking bridges, which you can walk at like a high level.
It's like the zip lines, but walking.
Yeah, because
There's
we've
like
got
12 of them.
yeah, which looks very cool. So we're doing that instead, because then we've got the hot springs with the girls tonight. There's actually 3 hot spring locations that are like really, really recommended out here. One of them is, do you know what? I'm going to leave them written in the description because I'm going to butcher the names of them, guys. But the one we're going to is the one that is $33 entry, and then there's like drinks, and it's a bit more buffet, like, so we're going to have dinner there later, so it's a bit more like man-made, a lot of them around here now, but that of course is still the natural ones. But the one that is the like class is kind of spa, more natural vibe, is the hotel, which we actually just came to for lunch, and it is Tabacon, I believe, and that's $80 entry. And then I think when you're, usually it used to be food included, didn't it, and now it's not,
and it was
which
70.
is
That was only for half a day.
yeah, so this is 10 till 10. I think you can go in, and then if you're staying at the hotel, then you can actually just get day entry whenever you like. But yeah, so we did pop for lunch here to see whether they had like a little availability for an hour, but they don't, so definitely pre-book if you're coming here. And then we're just gonna save it for when we're with the girls tonight. Guys, we're alive. We actually we had a moment in the Uber where basically it was quite scary. We went down like I think he thought it was a shortcut, but then he got lost and we got scared, and then he got worried.
And he didn't speak English, we didn't speak Spanish.
And it was not good, but we managed to get the translator up, and we are now. We just quickly picked up. You going down here? Yeah.
Oh, is it the next one?
I think it's the next one. And we just quickly picked up our swimming gear because we are off to the hot springs with the girls for dinner and for an evening hangout, and we're in our bright coloured ponchos in the rain. Is everyone beeping? Because
I don't know.
Because they don't
like
usually
traffic
beep.
lights.
Yeah, we do.
See if that bird's still.
Yeah, there was like an owl.
Probably not.
No, not sure. Anyway, we got an ice cream, and then yeah, we just picked up our stuff. And now we are walking to the hotel that the girls are at, and then we're going to the hot springs. So excited!
Oh,
So excited. Oh, sorry, Angel. I think he's gone. Yeah, it looks like the owl has gone. He's gone. Breakfast time.
Pancake time.
Pancake time. God, these smell insane. There they do. My loves, it's been a hot minute. I didn't film at the hot springs. I'm going to leave clips on the screen and pictures on the screen, low angle while we get ready, because I didn't really take my camera in there. It was really rainy and wet, and I didn't basically want to break the camera. Yeah, everyone's also like this. Strangers that you don't know, you don't really want to get your camera out and be filming them. So I'll leave some photos on the screen that we got, but it was such a lovely evening. It was so much fun. I'll also leave all my tips, recommendations for different hot springs here, all down below in the description of this video as well, like everything for each place that we go. But today is a new day. I'll be honest, I'm not feeling 100%, guys. Don't really know what's going on. I'm not sure if it's like the zip line ache or whether it's just that I'm tired. I don't know, but I'm going to be good. We're going for walks today, which I'm really excited about. We're going to be walking the bridges today, which are kind of like top of the treetops bridges, which should be fun. And then we're going to do the volcano. It's called a hike / walk. It's like 1.8 kilometers, and you kind of go up around like where the volcano,
volcanic like ash fields are, and like you get to see a lagoon that was created by the volcano, and
Yeah, very exciting. So we're doing that with all the girls again at 4. Some of the girls have gone off canyoneering and whitewater rafting, which is just insane. I can't wait to hear about it. But we've opted out for that, and we're going to do the walking bridge, I think, with 6 of the other girls. So we're going to go and just take in the views and have a really lovely last day in La Fortuna before me and B head off tomorrow to Santa Teresa.
So excited!
Going to the beach. We're literally so ready for the beach.
Yeah.
So yeah, very, very excited for that. And I'll take you guys along for today, basically. With the girls. Say hi, girls. Hi. We're off on the walking bridges. Very exciting.
Oh no, sorry. Oh no.
Bronte's got it jammed in the machine.
It said insert.
Is that fucking cool? Wow. We're in the woods. Is that what Tarzan does?
Isn't it? We should have done that on the zip line.
Yeah, you guys need to do that on the zip line and record it.
Although actually we didn't have any hands.
Yeah, no, but you can still try and make a noise. Oh, fun. This is so cool. So cool. Guys, we're going off on the first bridge. It's really, really shaky. No, it's windy. It's windy. On the different landscape. Is landscape or vertical? No, I never know. But
The landscape.
well, I was filming the other way around for YouTube, but basically I just can't. I'm too distracted. I get a bit anxious. Oh, like me.
It really gets your adrenaline pumping.
It really does. I actually think this is harder than the zip line.
Yeah. No, I think it is.
I find it a lot harder for the girls coming down. Yee. There are the girlies coming on in. Back in the waterfall. No! So cool. Wow.
Where? Oh wow. Oh yeah, they're so fast.
Guys, a hummingbird. Wow, that might be some other kind though. Wow.
Hummingbird and a volcano are all in the one finger.
I know, wow. Hello my loves, so we've been on the walk. I would have left like different clips, and we're now at Organico Fortuna, which is a really recommended like organic food spot that does like smoothies, matcha, coffee, toast, sandwiches, falafel, poke bowls, salad bowls, like all of that. And we just got this insane iced matcha. Like it, look at it. What the hell? It's also very cute in here. Very, very cute spot. And then Bee's also got a banana shake. And then us girls all ordered, I think like 2 drinks each. Or 1 drink each. It's very sweet. Very, very sweet. Guys, it's after lunch now. Quickly got changed, got this t-shirt because I actually had run out of t-shirts. It got to that point. I really was being savvy when I was packing. But we've come up to the Arenal Volcano and we're basically doing the walk hike that you can do, which is around an hour walk and it's about 1.8 kilometers. We've like driven up to a certain point where you can walk around, but I think you can also walk maybe 2 or 3 kilometers from the bottom. But yeah, the views are insane. It's honestly, I'm going to show you guys rather than talking because it feels like I'm in The Hobbit and the energy up here is just insane. So anyway, oh my god, there's so many red ants carrying all their stuff. Anyway, show you guys the views. Like, how insane is this? Guys, we're climbing, we're hiking the volcano. How are you doing?
500 stairs.
Is it? Yeah. No. It's like when you go to Covent Garden and you take the stairs. That's a lot. That's a lot, that is. Oh god, bugs. There's something making a noise. No, Bronte, go quickly. Oh, is it? Oh, the gals. Oh my god, dizzy. Here we go, in the jungle.
Oh my goodness. Tales of the jungle.
So good. Guys, look at the views. Wow. Wow. This is lava that is dried, I've been told. Cooled down. down, I should say.
Cool down.
Cool down.
Carbon.
Yeah. All the cows. Wow. Hello my lovelies. So I think the last thing you saw was the mountain hike we did, which was so much fun. I'm really hoping I don't get copyrighted for this.
This?
Is it a copyright song? I don't know.
Right, it's not that loud.
Oh well, if I do, I do. But went on this mountain hike and it was amazing, such incredible views. And then we went to this natural hot springs, which is down from Tabacon? I'll write it on the screen and leave it down below, but you basically, instead of going into the resort and spa, you can literally go down the road and yeah, it's all there and open. Hold on one second. So then we went to a natural hot springs and it was incredible. So you can basically go in for free. It's down the road from the resort and spa, but you just park up on the side of the road and you can walk down. And we saw fireflies. I'm gonna leave like pictures on the screen here. It was so magical, wasn't it? It was like being in a movie. It was just
insane. We were just sitting there and I was like, wow, we're all strangers. Apart from me and you. And we're all just sitting here in
on a Sunday
in a natural volcanic hot spring on a Sunday.
Watching
fireflies. It was amazing.
Oh, it was incredible. So yeah, one of the most amazing experiences. We are now on our next destination, so I am going to end this vlog here. As you can probably tell, I am dripping with sweat. We are now in 37 degrees, guys. We are on the beach. We are very excited to be here in Santa Teresa and hope you guys are all well, and I'm just sending lots of love to you all. Thank you for being here and watching my video, and I will see you in the next one. Lots of love. Mwah. Bye.